I'm Jasmine and I'm going to show you how to grow and care for an Anthurium. It's got beautiful deep green leaves and beautiful flowers, and it makes a really good plant for in the home. To grow and care for an Anthurium, you need a watering can and a pot with drainage. They're very easy to look after and they also look great. It thrives outside in warm locations, although it is a good indoor plant with cooler climates. Make sure your Anthurium is potted in a well-drained pot with a saucer below. Water your Anthurium thoroughly, although let it dry out between waterings. After you've watered, remove the pot from the saucer. Tip the excess water out so the plant doesn't absorb too much water. If there's too much moisture in the soil, the leaves will go yellow and it may develop root rot. The Anthurium is not a heavy feeder, so you don't need to fertilize it that often. Use a slow-release fertilizer every 6 to 12 months. Extra feeding with liquid or water-soluble fertilizers is not needed. Over-fertilizing will give you more leaves, but it will come at the cost of your flowers. Every couple of months, use a damp cloth to wipe the leaves. This will allow the leaves to grow and breathe better. So really, the only thing you need to do with an Anthurium is water it, but make sure it's not overwatered. Anthuriums make a great centerpiece on a dining room table, but don't eat them because they are toxic.